Number 2. The cooperative and intuitive peacemaker. Vibration, duality. Number 2s are harmonious placators that have an innate capability to soothe and also heal people and animals, as well as the situation around them. Despite the fact that they may be a little unconfident and timid until they feel comfortable in their surroundings, they are lovable and genuine, as well as extremely simple to get along with. They are natural listeners and advisors, who show great understanding of individuals and their troubles. This is why they typically play a counseling role in their individual lives or occupation, and sometimes in both. Love. A life path number of 2 has a naturally delicate character that can allow them to empathize with prospective amorous partners, and develop significant sentimental bonds. A 2's honesty and truthfulness will serve them well, however they shouldn't forget that not everybody is as truthful as they are. Life lesson. 2s are naturally pleasant and serene, and also will certainly stay clear of a disagreement at all costs, usually compromising their personal needs while doing so. Consequently, learning to value themselves by placing themselves first, is one of their foremost life lessons. They typically give a lot more than they get, due to the fact that this doesn't come effortlessly to them. They are liable to getting exploited and ending up with the short straw. Once they have the nerve to assert themselves and say, no, they are well on the road to living in their full potential, and also enhancing their quality of life. Life path 2 positive and negative traits. Positive traits. Harmonious, intuitive, loving, patient, diplomatic, understanding, charming. Negative traits. Shy, oversensitive, ambitionless, jealous, indecisive. Ideal roles for number 2s are counselors, mediators, negotiators, and therapists, healers, energy workers, massage therapists, and health professionals, administrators, secretaries, and assistants, teachers, analysts, auditors, and accountants.